Hi guys, let me show you how to make the most amazing, healthy, delicious grilled veg. So guys, it couldn't be simpler. Get your gas on a high heat. Then place a really good quality griddle pan on there and preheat it for about 4 minutes to get it nice and hot. Finely slice, chop, half or slither any vegetables that are beautiful and in season. Without any oil, put them dry into a pan to lightly char on both sides. When you cook veggies without oil, you get the most incredible, nutty, natural flavor. You don't have to cook it all the way through. It's really about just taking the raw edge off the veggies, applying a little bit of char for added flavor, and then when you remove it from the pan, we're gonna dress it in gorgeous homemade dressing. So veggies cooked like this are fantastic as any side dish. It's wonderful in an antipasti or tapas table. So there you go guys, super simple, beautiful, and delicious. Until next time, bye.